you can see how people go vegan. I think that's kind of like what I'm doing to Eric. What's up? It's Big Vegan Energy. We're at PS Kitchen, right near Times Square. This is Caitlin.
Hey guys.
Her Instagram's gonna be down below. We are going to get fucking full today. We're eating burgers, we're eating chicken sandwiches, we're eating chili cheese fries. I tried getting Brussels sprouts, but they're out. We're eating cheesecake, everything. I'm excited. PS Kitchen works with a ton of really cool organizations based in the city and all over the world. Some of them are like creating food and clothes for people in Africa. Some of them are stopping sex trafficking. Some of them are giving back food to the city. It's crazy, and it's a beautiful thing that they're able to make money and sustain themselves and then give back. But I'm pretty excited. Caitlin, what are you excited about today?
I'm excited about the Thai chicken sandwich.
Yeah, me too.
That's what I'm going for.
I hope it's spicy.
I hope so. I hope it comes with fries.
Yeah. If
we're gonna make sure there's fries.
We're packing it in
We're gonna
today,
make
for sure. I got the iced coffee. I don't give a fuck. Iced coffee all year. Caitlin, what did you get? Because it looks amazing.
I got a golden milk latte. It's got some turmeric, some cinnamon, a little almond milk in there. I noticed you don't put milk in yours.
No, I'm basic. This is the natural way. You're supposed to drink coffee like this.
Milk's natural too.
You got me. So, first sip, how you feel?
Golden. No, it's good. I've always liked things with a little bit of cinnamon. I know turmeric's really good for your body to kind of keep you up. Ginger shots,
Yeah.
one and done, just clean everything out your immune system.
Keep your body righteous.
Exactly. And I always like the color yellow, so this color makes me happy.
That's my favorite color.
It is? Mm-hmm. I feel like nobody likes yellow.
That's my favorite color. I don't know why.
It's just a happy
It's so
color.
bright, it's so nice, it's shiny, it's the sun.
No one understands. Thank you. I needed that. I love yellow, but nobody gets it.
These are buffalo maitake wings. It's just mushrooms and then they bread them like wings, fry them, and then they toss them in buffalo sauce. It comes with funky blue cheese. Blue cheese is the worst. Celery, carrots, and then potato salad. Chili cheese fries. Beautiful. Green onions. Beyond meat. It's got a little bit of the, I don't know, mouthfeel. I don't know what the word is for it. Cheese, fries, beans, onions, the works. It's amazing. Then this is the Thai chili. It's Beyond chicken. So who knows what it is? It's science, but it's delicious. Then we got the barbecue cheeseburger. Beyond beef patty, like normal. Pretzel bun, cheese, barbecue sauce, caramelized onions.
You said pretzel bun?
Mm-hmm.
Where's the salt?
I'm salty.
Fair enough. This one's calling my name. It's a big boy right there. Cheers. Cheers.
See? Mushrooms. It's like they always, nothing's gonna 100% feel like chicken because it's not meat. But
It's the sauce for me.
yeah, are you a blue cheese person? I'm not gonna judge you.
Honestly, I'm not really a wing person. I can say that with this, I feel like it doesn't need any.
Yeah, it doesn't need it.
I like potato salad.
Okay. I haven't had good potato salad since I went vegan.
Oh, what was that? What was that? It was kind of what?
Kind of good.
It was kind of good.
Potato salad. Right? I think it needs like a little, maybe like vinegar or something. First thing you tried, how do you feel so far?
Felt really good. I'm excited.
That's all I can ask for. I'm not broke no more. I got the bundle. For me,
Yeah.
it's always about texture, and like the ground beef in this is not it's not ground beef, but it holds up, and it's like, especially if you get it really dry and then bake it onto stuff, you can't tell the difference. My best descriptive word. It's pretty cheesy.
I think it's safe to say, right now I'm still rocking with this dish right here. Right now,
Yeah, the wings.
the wings are number one right now.
It's not bad. It's not something like, oh my god.
It's just not
no.
Mataki wings.
Yeah, not a showstopper. This is the Thai chicken sandwich. Nice and saucy. Look at the bun.
I wonder what it tastes like.
I don't know. Probably not barbecue.
I'm not a pretzel because there's no salt.
It got so quiet too. Perfect timing. Beautiful. It's a little messy, but. Alright, big bite. Big bite.
Good. Yeah, thank you. I'm realizing for me, you've been saying it's about the texture for you. I think it's the flavoring for me.
Alright, so this beautiful concoction.
Okay.
So this is the barbecue cheeseburger. Caramelized onions, cheese, bun, pretzel. I don't know if it's pretzel. Barbecue sauce, Beyond Burger. It looks fucking amazing. It's fucking vegan. Plants, baby. Plants. We're good. Going Oh, I'm full. Good. Nice and melty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one's good too, but like I've noticed in this case, the texture of this one, I feel like it seems closer to Beyond Meat, you said, right?
Yeah. My jelly.
You're not getting married. Oh wow.
Before you guys devour this, let me just taste it.
Take theirs.
No, I'm not.
Okay. Take it back. Like you said, feel like because of the size, it's gotta like be power punch.
Yeah. It's got to taste good.
This.
Food was great. I'm still thinking about the wings. Kaylin, I think you fell in love with them.
Yeah, definitely. But that cheesecake though.
The cheesecake?
I think the cheesecake's like right up there with the wings.
Okay.
Yeah, I definitely would say the wings. I'm gonna let the burger and the cheesecake sit second together.
Okay.
Then I would say the Thai chicken, the cheese fries. Yeah, that's good. The chili fries.
If you had to rate the cheesecake, not with all of cheesecakes that you've ever had, but as your first vegan cheesecake, how many eggplants out of 5 would you give it?
7.
You heard it here.
7.
7.
I honestly, until you just said that, I forgot it was vegan, so I'm like, oh wow. That.
So the cheesecake here, banging. I loved it. The wings were incredible. I would give the wings like a 4. I'll say a 4.0. Came. I'm glad Kaylin came. We're gonna probably try to go out to Jersey City to see her, so we're definitely gonna see Kaylin again.
Stop on by.
Yeah. What's the name of your restaurant?
Taco bar located at 684 Bergen Avenue, Jersey City, New Jersey. We got tacos, we got tequila, we've got mezcal, and we got me. We're gonna have a good time. So come on down.
Yeah.
And, yeah. Don't got cheesecake as good as this, but you know.
And they're working on vegan options too. So
Yes.
by the time y'all get there, they're gonna have some stuff set up for us. So it's gonna be delicious. Cool. $2.15.